My name is Michael Palladino. I'm a retired New York City motorcycle cop. I'm also a volunteer fireman. So I've had a lot of challenges in my life, and this seemed to be a real challenge in the construction and design program here at Pasco-Hernando State College. So I'm very happy to be here, and I enjoy the program immensely. This is an experience for me, so I can learn how to do things on my own. As a contractor, I don't have to call a contractor in. I can mostly try to do it myself, save money, save time. Give a lot of credit to the instructor, Sean. Very knowledgeable, very smart man. I think he's been in the industry almost 40 years, so he knows a lot. And just by him speaking to us as students, we're learning a lot just from him. So he's a big asset to this program. This keeps me young. I'm not sitting home on the couch. You got to get out there. You got to move. You got to do something. Do anything. It keeps you motivated. You have to have a purpose to get up. You have to have a purpose to get up. And this is my purpose.